Hey, welcome to this channel. My name is Oliver and today we're gonna have another session trading with binary options. If you're not familiar with the channel, that's what we do. I share my experience trading with binary options on a platform called Quotex. The link is gonna be in the description to this video, as well as the Telegram group where you can find a lot of useful different information in trading in general and specifically for binary options on Quotex. So let's get straight to today's session. And today, guys, I'm gonna start with $30 and we're gonna go for a put option straight away here. As I see with the Donjon channel here, I see the start of a downtrend. So that's the idea behind it. Excuse me. So we have 30 seconds here, and I'm gonna talk through most of them because I want you guys to see the decisions behind the. Okay, I'm gonna change to 1 minute better. So $56, and now we're gonna go for another currency. As I was saying, I want you to see the decisions that I make. So I want you to see why I make them. So here right now I'm gonna go for a call option, as we see a clear uptrend on the Donjon channel, and I mean the graph itself. We can see that the long-term price here is going up. So we're gonna see the result here, but basically we see in a bigger picture we see the uptrend. So that's the whole idea behind that. And also we have on the left we have the bar that says the balance between, so the percentage between every option. So for example, at the time I was making the option, it was higher. The percentage of the call option was higher than the put option. So that's where, like now, for example, you see the percentage of the. So that was the decision behind. That was the idea behind that decision. So we just had a profit here, and so we're gonna go for the next option. Is going to be $100 already, and we're going to go for the next one. But basically, yeah. So a Donjon channel is a pretty simple indicator. So I'm going to make the video about different indicators as I promised, and we're going to see more in close about them. Right. So here I'm going to go for another call option. You see there's the upper trend. It's clearly, I mean, this is pretty easy to when you see something like that, because you see an uptrend clearly. So let's wait for the result. Here we have the profit of $187. I mean, $87 is the profit from this option, as the payout is 87% on this. So the next option is going to be $191, and let's have a look. So I'm going to make the next one. Okay, so we go to this currency over here, and let's have a look. Let's see the picture here. I mean, that also is. I'm gonna go for a call option again here. Again, I see an uptrend in general, but then also we see this level of resistance that we could go up to now, and we might break it through, or we might just bounce off. But that's the idea behind it. I've changed it to 30 seconds for this one. It should be enough, but you see a clear indication there. There we are. That was a quick one. So $357 is the total. So we're going to go for 357 for our next option, and let's see which one we can check for. Okay, let's go to this currency here. Let's see. Right, I'm going to go for a call option again here. See the support line there that I think we're going to bounce off here, and in general there is an uptrend. I don't think it's going to change direction here, so that's the idea. I think now we can see rise in price for now. As you can see, this candle is pretty high up. Now it's testing itself on the resistance level there. So we have a profit here because this is a really fast one, 30 seconds, 668 in total, and we're gonna go for the next option is gonna be 668 price wise. And let's see, we're gonna try different currency. I change currencies usually because I don't want to be stagnated on just the one. You'd have to spend a lot of time waiting for a that looks like it's gonna go down. So you see there's a downtrend start. I'm gonna go for a put option here, 668, only 30 seconds. So it's right now it's testing the resistance line there. It's a pretty fast one, so we should be okay because that was close though. $1,249 in total, and we're gonna go for the next option is gonna be $1,000, which is the maximum on Quotex, but we're gonna just go for a 1,000 option right now, and let's see. Let's go. Let's check probably different option. So you see, there's a surely downtrend was starting there. This one is an uptrend. Clearly, we see that's an easy one because it's pretty clear. So we're gonna go for 1 minute and $1,000 here. This is a good example. You see all the way in the upper section of the Donchian channel. So that means I mean it's clear as day that it's the uptrend, and this is a situation where you can trust the channel, the Donchian channel indicator, and just even without it you can see that the price is going up. Whether it's gonna go down, I mean, if there is more time, if it's a longer option, then it's worth checking out the levels. But right now I think we're okay with this. So we see an uptrend, and I mean, if it was a few minutes, there we are. That's our profit. Pretty good already. We started with $30, and this is a pretty good already. The total is already 2,119. It's almost 220. I mean 120. So let's go to this one here. So likely to go down. So let's go for a put option here for 1 minute. You see, we were on this, so you see it tested so it's basically bounced off the resistance level there, and right now it's gonna go and we will see it go down to the support level, to the first support level, and then it might test the other support level. So we'll see, but we have enough time, I think, before it tests before it tests that level right here, And it can, of course, it can bounce off here, but not likely. I mean, I think it's gonna go down to see there's a stronger support line at the bottom as well. But we'll see. Let's wait for the result. And here it is. Here is the result, and we have the total is $3,859 from $30. So this is a pretty good, example with what you can do. It's just $30, some knowledge of technical analysis. So I encourage you to go to the description to this video and check out the group. Join the group and start learning about trading with binary options and trading in general. There's a lot of useful information. We're going to stop here. I think the session was pretty good. It was a fast one, quick one, and I think it's a pretty good profit for today. I'll see you all next time. All the best. Good luck.